Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech news, tips, and tricks. Today we're going to show you 5 amazing tech hacks that will change the way you use your gadgets. So, let's get started. Hack number 1: control your PC with your smartphone. First up, did you know that you can use your smartphone to control your PC? Yes, that's right. By using apps like Unified Remote, you can control your PC using your smartphone. You can use it to navigate your desktop, play music, and even control your media center. It's super easy to set up and a great way to control your PC without being physically present. Hack number 2: convert your smartphone into a projector. Next up, have you ever wanted to watch a movie on a big screen but don't have a projector? Well, with this hack, you can turn your smartphone into a projector. You just need a magnifying glass, a shoebox, and your smartphone. Place your smartphone inside the shoebox, place the magnifying glass in the hole, and project your phone screen onto a wall. It's a quick and easy way to turn your smartphone into a mini projector. Hack number 3: speed up your slow computer. Do you have a slow computer that's driving you crazy? Well, we have a hack for that. By using a free software called CCleaner, you can speed up your computer and remove any unwanted files that may be slowing it down. Just download the software, run it, and watch as your computer speeds up. Hack number 4: get free Wi-Fi anywhere. Next up, have you ever been in a situation where you need Wi-Fi but don't have access to it? Well, with this hack, you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere. Just download an app called Wi-Fi Map, and you'll be able to access Wi-Fi passwords from millions of hotspots around the world. It's a great way to get free Wi-Fi when you're on the go. Hack number 5: customize your keyboard shortcuts. Finally, did you know that you can customize your keyboard shortcuts? By using an app like AutoHotkey, you can create your own custom keyboard shortcuts to perform various tasks on your computer. It's a great way to save time and increase productivity. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you found these tech hacks useful. If you have any other tech hacks that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech news, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching.